Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about a brand new business credit card. This business credit card is going to allow you to get business credit for your business. You get a soft credit check pre-approval. If you are approved, you can go ahead and accept the offer. It will be a hard credit check after you are approved and accept the offer, but this credit card goes up to $25,000, I believe, is the highest limit for this particular credit card. They offer two different credit cards. We're going to talk about both credit cards here in this video, but before we get started, we have a brand new DIY credit education group that we just launched. So if you want to learn how to fix your credit, build your credit, this is going to be for personal and business credit. I want you to go ahead and join this group because we are launching a free DIY credit repair software that is going to allow you to repair your credit for free. The software is free to use. This is something that I don't think anybody is doing on YouTube. This is something that we have gotten designed and set up just for my students, just for my subscribers. So it's going to be a lot of value. Make sure that you sign up. Link will be in the description. You can only get access to this software by joining this Facebook group. All right, so the credit card that we're going to talk about is the Hello Alice business credit card. This is a Mastercard that you can get for your business, even if you have bad personal credit. If you have bad personal credit, they have a secured option that you can get approved for to help you start building your business credit and personal credit. They do a soft credit check on your personal credit to approve you for this particular Mastercard for your business. So you can apply as a startup. They have some introductory offers going on right now. So right now they're doing $0 annual fees. They have a 0% intro APR, and this is for the first 6 months after opening your account. Their APRs will go up to between 14.99% and 23.99% based upon your credit worthiness after the 6 months billing cycle. Also, if you are approved for this Mastercard, you will get access to one-on-one coaching with professional advisors available on demand, and this will be coaching for your business. You'll also receive $50 in statement credits when you spend $1,000 in the first 3 billing cycles after opening up your account. And then you can also earn points on this business credit card. You can earn 4 times the points for every dollar that you spend on eligible wireless services and business software purchases. Also, you can get 3 times the points on every dollar that you spend on office supplies and shipping purchases. And then you get 2%, or actually 2 times the points on every dollar that you spend for ride sharing and restaurant purchases. And then you get 1.5 points for every dollar that you spend on all other purchases. You can also earn points by engaging on the Hello Alice platform. You get 150 points when you update your profile, 100 points when you log into your account 3 days in a row, and also 100 points when you complete a milestone on your Hello Alice account. And you can redeem these points by getting gift cards and attending virtual learning events, as well as the cash back on eligible purchases. So as mentioned before, there are 2 different cards that you can get. You can get the Mastercard that's unsecured, and then you can get the secured card if you're not approved for the Mastercard. So the secured card will actually unsecure after 1 year of using that secured credit card. So keep that in mind. It does graduate to unsecured after you show that you can make the payments on time and you're able to show that you're using that credit card responsibly. So you get 24/7 business assistance. You also get Mastercard ID protection, 0 liability protection, and also car rental service. Also, if you scroll down to the FAQs, if you go under what is the difference between a secured and unsecured credit card, they'll break down to you what the difference is. In case you don't understand what a secured card is, it's basically when you add money to an account, a credit account, and you use the money that is on that account and you make payments on what you use. So it's pretty much a security deposit that's going against your credit line. So if you put $1,000 on that secured card, $1,000 will be your credit line, and that'll be how much you're able to use. You'll be able to get that security deposit back if you decide to close the account, but you have to make sure that your payments are caught up. So this is going to help you establish and build good credit history And if you want to graduate the Secured card, if you are approved for the Secured card instead of the Mastercard, if you want to graduate the Secured card to a Mastercard, the unsecured Mastercard, you can do that in 11 months. So it's actually 11 months instead of 12 months. And that's after you have maintained good credit history, good payment history. And it is subject to credit approval because they will go back and look at your credit to see if you have improved your credit. Also, this card is underwritten by FNBO, so First National Bank of Omaha. So if you do decide to go ahead and apply for this credit card, you can go ahead and do that without risking a hard credit check. You'll see if you're approved. If you are not approved, you won't have any hard credit checks on your credit. If you are approved and accept the offer, you will inquire a hard credit check. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon and receive notifications on when I release new videos. Make sure that you like this video if you find this video valuable, and comment down below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.